Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hey everyone, this is Sam Mowers here, and welcome to episode 451 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, Bitcoin is rising as Bakkt has set a record in futures trading volume. Hive has reported its 2020 financial results. BIG has launched XRP and XLM on its BitRank verified service. And the Bahamas is debuting its Sand Dollar e-currency next month. But just before we jump into today's show, a quick reminder that if you enjoyed this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. Also recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com, such as the Clean Tech and Climate Change podcast, as well as the Cannabis Podcast, both of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. Alright, so since the last episode of Crypto Corner on Monday, Bitcoin has continued in its climb and has reached a trading price of about $10,935 at the time of recording. That is according to data from CoinMarketCap. Coinciding with this, Bakkt, the digital assets arm of Intercontinental Exchange Inc., which trades on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol ICE or ICE, has reached its highest trading volume of Bitcoin futures today. The company tweeted, quote, "Another record day in the books for our physically delivered futures. 15,955 Bakkt Bitcoin futures were traded today, representing over $200 million of volume and a 36% increase from our previous all-time high." End quote. Hive Blockchain Technologies Limited, which trades on the TSXV under the ticker symbol HIVE, has reported its 2020 financial results. Some highlights include an income from digital currency mining of $29.2 million, gross mining margin of $8.5 million, and 2,051 Bitcoin mined. Frank Holmes, the interim executive chairman of Hive, commented, quote, "Going forward, our focus is on improving the efficiency and profitability across our mining operations by optimizing our cryptocurrency mining output, continuing to lower our direct mining operations cost structure, and maximizing our existing electrical and infrastructure capacity, including with new mining equipment in existing facilities to leverage our fixed cost base and improve future mining margins." End quote. Blockchain technology search, risk scoring, and data analytics solution developer Blockchain Intelligence Group, or BIG, a subsidiary of Big Digital Assets Inc., which trades on the CSE under the ticker symbol BIGG, has announced the launch of Ripple and Stellar as part of BitRank Verified Risk Scoring Service. According to the press release, BitRank Verified provides financial organizations with the ability to get a risk score on an address and or transaction, allowing for the quick risk assessment of whether funds have been involved in nefarious activity. BIG's president, Lance Morgan, commented, quote, "Adding the Ripple and Stellar blockchains to BitRank Verified further enhances the ability of any organization involved in crypto compliance and investigations to perform their duties. Ripple is number 4 by market cap, and Stellar is 17 by market cap, according to CoinMarketCap.com. These additions allow us to continue to position BIG's services as having visibility into the top cryptocurrencies in the marketplace." End quote. Finally, Bloomberg reports that the Central Bank of the Bahamas is debuting its Sand Dollar e-currency nationwide in October, making it the first country to have launched its own digital currency. Chaozhen Chen, that's the assistant manager of e-solutions at the Central Bank of the Bahamas, commented, quote, "A lot of residents in those more remote islands don't have access to digital payment infrastructure or banking infrastructure. We really had to customize the effort and the solution to what we need as a sovereign nation." End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Spotify, iTunes, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio.com, and Google Play Music.